Now for the final video of getting everything set up with Avada, I know I've shown you a lot of options. You're probably getting bored at this point. You probably want to get started on your website, and I understand. But let me show you a really easy way how you can get started. One of the cool things about Avada is they include what's called demo content. So if you go up to Avada and click Install Demos, they created a whole host of different demo sites that you can actually install yourself. It'll upload all the content from these demo sites, and the only thing that you have to do is actually go back and delete the content that's not relevant and change the wording and whatnot. So it can actually make things a lot easier for you. So if you have a certain style that you had in mind, instead of creating each page individually and working on it that way, you can actually just kind of deconstruct an existing demo and make it your own. So if you look through here, a lot of different demos. They're constantly coming out with new demos, and they just keep getting better and better all the time. So you can preview any one of these demos. For instance, we'll preview this gym one. And so if you install the demo content, everything that you see here on the demo will be there, and it'll be exactly how it is right here. So again, it can be pretty good in the sense that the overall format's set up, and so if you like how it's set up, then fine. I mean, you can change anything you want at any time, but you might actually have to delete a lot of things or change a lot of the text, a lot of the pictures and whatnot, but it's all set up already. Everything from testimonials, membership, facilities, blog, you name it, it's all here. And so I just want to show you actually how to install one of those. Again, you can preview each and every one of those, see which one would be closest to what you would like. So all you have to do is, of course, click install, hit OK. Now this might take a couple minutes, a couple seconds. It just really varies. It depends on your hosting company, but if you go to the top, everything was successfully installed right there. And now there's this plugin that they want you to install, Regenerate Thumbnails, and that just resizes all the images. That can be a little bit tedious, but basically just go ahead and click on that, and then on this next page, it'll actually, I already installed it earlier, so the plugin down here, just install it, run it, and then you should be good to go, and it'll actually lead you back to your dashboard when everything's said and done. And then when you go, if you ever want to access your page here from the dashboard, just go up here and then go visit site, and it'll actually take you to the site right there. So I kind of worked on this before a little bit, so it kind of has a few changes to it, but all the content is right there, and I just have to go back in and change it out to how I like it. So that's pretty cool. If you go back to your dashboard and you go to your pages, you'll see each individual page right there, and you can go in and edit them as you wish. And that's basically where we're going to pick up on the next page. I'm going to start off with a blank page, and we're going to work that way and show you exactly how everything works and how it comes together. So it's going to be very, very cool. But I wanted to show you that really quick. It's a fast way to put together a website. I don't think everybody should. I think you should definitely make the site your own. But that's how you install the demo content. Very, very simple. And again, if you ever have any questions, please let me know.